Now I'm actually back over here at Charles, and it's 4/10/2020. That thing's talking from across the sky. It's still beaming me right here in the side of my head and both sides, saying, "Now where are we beaming you from?" Across the sky from over Sand Island. They've been just radiating and burning and laser beaming my head with this stuff since I left here. This is a record of it. The voice to skull still coming across the sky from Hickam. It's 5:13 p.m. across the sky from Hickam Air Force Base at Sand Island. It comes from two different directions, two different angles at times. They're just beaming my head severely. I keep getting these reoccurring sores right around here on both sides because of these microwave attacks too.